Which types of nouns do you know in English? I show you here some of them. Concrete nouns refer to people or things that exist physically and at least one of the senses can detect. Music, frog, teacher. Examples: pen, phone, car, tree, chair, book, ocean, dog, table, flower. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns have no physical existence. Appetite, sleep, life. Examples: love, justice, happiness, anger, freedom, beauty, honor, courage, kindness, imagination. Collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to a set of group of people, animals, or things. For example, a cast of actors, a bowl of rice. Examples: flock, herd, pack, school, pride, swarm, colony, gaggle, choir, army. Next category. Regular nouns. Regular nouns are those which make their plural by adding s at the end of the word. Examples: books, cats, chairs, dogs, trees, houses, cars, computers, shoes, pencils. Following category: irregular nouns. Irregular nouns make their plural by changing the whole word or by keeping the same form for singular and plural. One of the examples for keeping the same form for singular and plural are fish, deer, and sheep. Now we got here the irregular nouns. Child singular, children plural. Mouse singular, mice plural. Foot singular, feet plural. Man singular, men plural. Woman singular, women plural. Goose singular, geese plural. Tooth singular, teeth plural. Person singular, people plural. Oak singular, oxen plural. Alumnus singular, alumni plural. Another category we have is the countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that name things you can count as individual units, having both singular and plural form. Here we go. Book. It might be book or books for the plural. Chair, chairs for the plural. Dog, dogs for the plural. Cat, cats for the plural. Table, tables, and they can be counted. You can say one book, two books, three books, etc. and so on. Pencil, cap, plate, and fork. Now we get the last category I show you this time, and this is the uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that name things you can't count as individual units, and they do not have a plural form. For example, milk, cheese, butter, soup, wine, meat, oil, juice, water, ice cream. That's all for today, my dear friends. Follow me, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.